Hey guys, just a quick update. It's Friday, May 4th. Wanted to show you what I got going on here. As the plants are starting to get a little bit bigger, I needed to get them out of the grow tent kind of apparatus that I have, starting some other seeds, my backup plants. So they were getting too big for that. In addition, I am getting ready to go out of town in a week or so. So I had to get them on something that is easily transportable for my pumpkin plant babysitters, which are Pete and Cindy Glazer. They are going to mind the plants for me. So I still have basically 2 full weeks in the pot. I'm going out of town not this Saturday, but next Saturday, and then I don't get back till that Sunday. So these suckers still got about 2 weeks in the pot, which, is not ideal because both fortunately and I suppose unfortunately in this particular case, man, I had the best looking young plants that I've ever had. They just look, knock on wood, great. So they're on their 3rd leaf now. By the time I get back, they're probably going to be on their 5th or 6th leaf, so it's going to be a real big plant. But all in all, looking pretty good. The 1718 Cejas are looking great. The 2000 Pingree also looking great. The weird one back there still being weird. 2043 Clements, those are looking real good. And the 1938 Uranus are also looking real good. And then my watermelon plants, the 260 Clements and the 253 Terry are looking good. A little bit of leaf curl on those guys, but that'll probably go away. And then my pumpkin plants, knock on wood, are looking really good. Just awesome young plants. A little bit of CalMag necessary, as you can see in the leaves there. That's not a big deal. Not worried about it. Added a pinch of CalMag to my last watering. And that's it. Look at the cotyledons on these guys. They're huge. Huge for me anyway. I've, like I said in past videos, taking the start of the season much more serious. So now they are on wheels with their 8-bulb T5 above them, and then I'll be able to wheel them outside in the morning and in the evening and on my days off to give them some sunlight au naturel. But the wheels will just make it real easy rather than carting each tote at a time outside and putting it on a table. Ain't nobody got time for that, so just wheel them in and out of the garage. That's it for now, everybody. I will have some huge plants going in the ground. Not ideal, but given my history with snow situations, and Colorado loves to snow in May, about the middle of May, so not taking any chances this year. I'll be ahead of the game by being later to the game. Have a good one, guys.